Hi, I'm Dr. Ketan Pakle. I'm an endobariatric physician and specialist in metabolic syndrome. I'm a founder and director of Metabol Lifestyle Metabolic Syndrome Clinic. So, we have patients either to get free from the diseases or to improve their quality of life. It was interesting to know about the Wealthy Therapeutics because they were addressing the unmet medical needs of the patients and they were trying to fill the need gap in the patient's treatment, which was ultimately improving the quality of life of the patients. So usually we have patients who have a lot of questions regarding their food habits, regarding their exercises, their well-being, the stress habits and day-to-day issues what they are facing. And being doctor, to answer all these questions, it's a task, okay, but to answer those we need to understand have a deep knowledge and understanding about that patient's lifestyle, how they are living it. So digital health solutions, I feel, has overcome this issue and they are addressing all these points and making a good understanding about a patient's daily activities and lifestyle, ultimately giving a better understanding about the patients, each and every patient, making a good treatment plan which is customized and personalized as well. So, achieving and maintaining the glycemic control is the paramount importance for overall health about the patient and their survival as well. And we all know there are multiple reasons about fluctuating these glycemic levels. So it is very important to track their habits and their lifestyle. And we all know that patients' adherence is very poor, and this is the biggest current challenge amongst the patients who are suffering from diabetes, and it becomes more complicated to even treat because of their comorbidity as well. So these solutions which have been come up, I feel this is the best fit for all those patients who are really charged up among themselves, who are ready to motivate about themselves and take charge over to maintain the diabetes management as well. I feel the self-management is the most crucial aspect of the diabetes management and diabetes care. I feel the personalized health coaching is the best part of this program, as the health coach are providing the best solution for the patients which are customized, which are guiding them time to time and support in form of setting them goal, knowledge acquisition as well as better management in their conditions what they are living with. We found out there was a significant reduction in the HbA1c when the patients were supported with the health coaches. We also see there were a constant support which was given by this health coach, and they found out the patients were really motivated to fight against this battle of diabetes today, and they are not left out anymore. We also have some middle-aged people, the females, who are really motivated because of these health workers and the health coaches for their management of diabetes, which is really supportive for them, and they are really indebted towards the wealthy. I feel changing the diabetes management landscape one patient at a time. I feel the awareness amongst the patients should be increased from the health profession side, making some brochures, some guidelines to make them understand how these digital health solutions can make their life simpler and the gap between the patients and the doctors which can be filled for a better outcome. That would be my first suggestion. The second suggestion would be like demonstrating on few patients how exactly this program works, and you can create those type of awareness about the video, how the stepwise how it can work for them, and ultimately I guess that would be good enough for the patients to enroll and take benefit of this amazing digital solution which changes been made by the wealthy therapeutics?